Is it gone? What? The Aspen? Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah, it is. Really?
yeah.
This is my car?
Yeah. The Aspen's over there.
I like it now. That's okay. Seriously?
Seriously.
I got my own car.
What do you say?
Aw.
Yeah.
Liar.
Seriously.
You're lying.
Open the trunk. Gosh, how big is it?
You're lying. Wow. What's this? Do I have a tire in there?
Tire? Yeah.
Heck. I'm not a
You could hide your friends in there.
You got a dead body in there.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you.
Get it?
Give Mom a hug and kiss. What about...
How? Where's it? How? Where?
How? Where? What? When? Why?
Give me it.
Give me it.
You can sit up front, honey.
No, you right up
Oh.
front. My present's in the radio already.
You can plug in your iPod.
Zune.
Are you staying here, Zach? Okay.
Wow.
We'll be back. We won't be gone long. Close the garage, okay? There, right here.
Show her the seats, honey.
Oh yeah, you gotta adjust the seat.
Turn the camera off. Grow up.
So you got the buttons there.
Hey, here.
Right there.
Here?
No.
Oh, I like this.
Now push those up and down.
Am I getting raised?
Yeah.
Ugh. Oh my gosh.
So you want to adjust so your feet can hit the pedals, okay?
Okay. Where are they? Oh, right there. Okay. Got it. Check your mirrors.